YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Right, do me a favor, mash that like button if you don't mind, appreciate it, thank you. And if this is your second, the third, the fourth, the however many times coming to this channel and not subbing up, sub up for me, word. Got two pickups, one nostalgic, I guess you could say for the culture, but we'll just keep it on nostalgic vibes. And then I got another joint from Always DIY, Believe in Yourself. This is a pickup that I wanted to cop. I remember my homeboy had it. Salutes to my guy D. D's nuts, got him. Nah, shout out to my guy. He actually collects a lot of these tees, and I saw he had the joint. I was like, man, how did I miss out on this? But when they did the restock, I knew I had to, even though I am a Knicks fan. I had to. This is a dope joint right here. I can't front. And anyway, I wear Jordans, so I'm not gonna sit up here and act like, oh yeah. Ooh, yes sir. Hell yeah. This that I Love New York tee. Supposed to be Reggie Miller, but technically it's not Reggie Miller because it's a skeleton, but we already know who this is. Front of the tee, you got the skeleton right there, the supposedly Indiana Pacers jersey. The heart is in like a, I'd say like a mustard yellow. Miller open again, his foot on the line, that's a two-pointer, and Reggie Miller in an animated discussion with Spike Lee, who is a Knicks fan and has a court-side seat. Reggie Miller's choke sign to Spike Lee is one of the most iconic moments ever in Madison Square Garden. There was a moment in sports that is the epitome of BIY to the bone, believing yourself to the bone. Reggie Miller giving the choke sign to Spike Lee appealing to the official, Dan Crawford. I don't think Spike realizes he's not in the game, it doesn't matter. Miller losing John Starks, this time for the wide open shot. His foot was on the line and Reggie will have something to say to Spike Lee. A 12-2 run now by the Pacers. Still won that year though. You know what I'm saying? Just to lose to the Rockets. Yeah. Anyway, bam. The back of the tee, you got Love, Believe in Yourself. It's a heavyweight tee. I actually got this in size medium. Pause if you have to. They do fit loose. And if I would have got another size up, the arms would have been like down here. So that ain't cool. Yeah. Definitely gonna put something together for where? All right. So next up, I was on. Everybody knows Nike doing bad right about now. They got like sales out the yin yang, and I was mighty obliged to take full advantage of this sale right here. At first I wasn't because, well, we'll get into it. Let me open this up. Hold on. All right, at first I was kind of hesitant to pick these up because they didn't have my comfort size. Pause, all right? And I was like, and I don't play all that, oh, take the sole out. But the price with the sale is at $120. I believe members got another 25% off. That got it down to around like the 90. My math is bad, my bad. But Rakuten or Rakuten, whatever, I'm saving with them. You know that rhyme. Nike got 10% cash back. So I was damn near like 80 bucks. I was like, oh man, you know what?
I'm taking it, nigga.
If they don't work, I'll sell them for the low. They already low. Yo, for the culture, had to get them. Air Penny 2s. Damn, Nike ain't even got no, it looked like they came straight from the outlet. But yeah. Definitely had to get them. For that price, oh yeah. Joint's clean though. Oh man, I just hope and pray. But yeah, here they go right here. Yes, sir. I wish I could take them outside, but it's looking nice to y'all. All right, Air Penny 2s. When these joints drop, you already know the story. My parents wasn't copping them, you know. I knew like one cat, he used to get like all the colorways. Shout out to BJ. He definitely used to get all the colorways. But yeah, I wanted these. I definitely did. And when they did release, I was like, man, do I get these just for, you know, nostalgic purposes? I was like, yeah, but I wasn't gonna pay 200 bucks. I was like, let me just see if these go on sale. Now, I believe he on Feats. I believe he had got them for the low that really sparked my interest, and that's why I was like, nah, I'm not paying anything more than 120. But when I did see him for the 120 in that deal, come on, man, 80 bucks. Y'all wanna rock with these for the 80? I believe it was the 80 with the cash back, the 80. Hell yeah, man, love these. Yeah, just for the culture, man, just for nostalgic purposes, I want them. Check them out. Got the penny sign, is the white and the royal blue. You gotta keep this clean, back up off the wall like what? You got the penny logo in the air unit, Nike Air Zoom right there. Man, hell yeah. Everything speaks 90s. Now, for the, now it's time for judgment. Let's see. I know I'm gonna have to rock these loose. So I was thinking about rocking these on my upcoming trip but I might just wait till wear that one. Because why? Because what I rock these with, I can, if they're a little too tight,
pause.
After a while, I can throw on my Yeezys, you know what I'm saying? So I'll be comfortable. Yeah, so let's see, man, I'm scared, but the price was right. I'll do a little on foot too. Oh yeah, these joints are snug. Yeah, they snug. I'll be rocking them loose like this. Yeah, for me to, yeah, but they snug. I need some stance socks. Yeah, church socks. Yeah, definitely. But at the end of the day, I wish they had my size.
Pause.
Now standing up and walking in them, I think, these, I'm right there. I ain't gonna front. It's right there. But I think we can make these happen. Yes, sir. I definitely think we can make these happen. Yeah. Now, first one I put, I was like, but nah, I think we can make these, we can make it work. Yes, so now I'm happy. Yeah, man, but a couple more looks on these joints. Y'all already seen them, man, so with no point doing no review or nothing like that, but I will throw on a little something, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy on the on foot, nothing like that. But yeah, here we go, the Air Petty 2s right here. I do want the Orlando Magic colorway to drop. I definitely do, and I'll probably be on the same shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, let them go on sale. But nah, I think that might, you know, move a little better. But yeah, nostalgia. That's what it's all about. But anyway, yo, about to do this quick on foot. Shout out to the Wave Mob, everybody that's been liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter beam. But that snaps. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. What's Your Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.
Hey, no, I get paid to do this shit.
I ain't not thinking about niggas, but if they come with the triggers, nigga, they all could bleed. Nigga, they all could bleed. I told your hoe to get with us. Shorty, I drip on the dribble. She licking it all for me. She licking it all for me. Shooters with me, you ain't acting right, man, they'll do you wrong. Hammers booming like a shaka-laka, then I move along. Coolin' out when I be coolin', then I make the coolest songs. Cooler how I wanna cool. 09, I was cool. Learn your history. 505 and 28, that was my street. 10 of us lived in a house and half the house was shooting deep. Remember stepping over needles in the backyard, shit get deep. In my right hand was the Cheeto back. Now I need a needle cash. Lotus like a lotus, know them flying things. Bzz. Go on hocus pocus, know them flying things. Ever since you was in the trying things new. Shooby dooby doo, how many souls ain't got a clue now. I beat it for, I make a fool, y'all shoot y'all new ride. Green dot on your forehead, you retarded, fuck it, booyah. Beat it for a nigga, make a fool, y'all shoot y'all new ride. Green dot on your forehead, you retarded, fuck it, booyah. I ain't not thinking about niggas, but if they come with the triggers, nigga, they all could bleed. Nigga, they all could bleed. I told your hoe to get with us. Shorty, I drip on the dribble. She licking it all for me. She licking it all for me. Shooters with me, you ain't acting right, man, they'll do you wrong. Hammers booming like a shaka-laka, then I move along. Coolin' out when I be coolin', then I make the coolest songs. Cooler how I wanna cool. 09, I was cool. I ain't not thinking about niggas, but if they come with the triggers, nigga, they all could bleed. Nigga, they all could bleed. I told your hoe to get with us. Shorty, I drip on the dribble. She licking it all for me. She licking it all for me. Shooters with me, you ain't acting right, man, they'll do you wrong. Hammers booming like a shaka-laka, then I move along. Coolin' out when I be coolin', then I make the coolest songs. Cooler how I wanna cool. 09, I was cool.